Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Understanding oneself is the first step towards understanding the world. True enlightenment begins from within. Guava is also known as the vitamin C superstar because it has one of the highest concentrations of vitamin C among all fruits. No matter how badly fingerprints are damaged, they will always grow back in their original pattern. Neanderthals lived in high stress environment with high trauma rates and about 80% died before the age of 40. It took 200,000 years for human population to reach 1 billion but only 200 years to grow to 7 billion. There is a type of garlic that does not have separate cloves. It's just one solid piece. The Arctic Circle and the Antarctic Circle are the latitudes with at least one day of 24-hour sunlight, midnight sun, and one day of 24-hour darkness, polar night each year. Every next level of your life will demand a different you. If you are facing top head baldness, it may be due to low level of copper in your body. To come back, drink water from a copper vessel. Time spent gardening is associated with better mental well-being and life satisfaction in mid to late adulthood. Mimicry is a sign of attraction. Try mimic the gestures of your crush. It should make them feel closer. Rare twin elephant calves moving next to one another. Mushrooms can communicate with each other using up to 50 words. This bird has 8 different colors on its feathers. Hummingbird feeding on nectar in a slow motion sequence. Regent International Apartment Building in Hangzhou has over 20,000 people living in it. A mother and calf humpback whale swim gracefully together. The architecture of this apartment complex in Shanghai. Sealand, the world's smallest area to establish itself as a nation. The vertical stairs of Mount Huashan. Lemuria is a hypothesized continent thought to have existed between India and Madagascar based on the presence of lemurs in both India and Madagascar but not in Africa. Cheerleading was an all-male sport when it began in 1898. The shift towards predominantly female cheerleading began around World War II as men left for military service. Contrary to popular belief, Vikings did not wear horned helmets in battle. This myth was created centuries later in modern depictions. The average lifespan of democracy is roughly 250 years. By long elevator, the tallest outdoor lift elevator in the world. When you shampoo, what the shampoo does is remove the hairs that were already out of their hair follicle and ready to come out. It is normal to lose up to 100 hairs a day. Contrary to what many people think, shampooing does not cause hair loss. Core Power Ocean's wave energy converts harness clean energy from the world's largest untapped energy source, our oceans. The wave motion is turned into rotation which is converted into electricity by generators inside the buoy. The double rainbow guy, Paul, was a prolific uploader who created thousands of videos He reportedly scheduled years of uploads in advance before he passed away, leaving his channel still active now 4 years after his passing. P.T. Barnum noticed visitors staying too long at his exhibits, so he posted signs reading, "This way to egress," unaware that egress means exit. Visitors followed the signs expecting another display and found themselves outside, requiring another ticket to return. The 1883 eruption on Krakatoa produced the loudest sound ever known. It reverberated around the globe 7 times before diminishing. It could be heard 4,000 miles away, and people within 100 miles had permanent hearing loss. 40 trillion gallons of rain fell on the southeast during Hurricane Helene, and an additional storm that's enough to fill the Dallas Cowboys Stadium 51,000 times, fill over 60 million Olympic-sized swimming pools, and match the flow of Niagara Falls for 619 days. Why are humans getting shorter? Ever wondered why humans today seem shorter than our ancient ancestors? Around 100,000 years ago, early humans were hunter gatherers who relied on their physical strength and agility for survival. The shift to farming and industrialization, a gradual decrease in height. The shift from hunting and gathering to agriculture and later industrialization led to reduced physical activity. Compared to humans from 100,000 years ago, we are generally smaller boned, shorter, and lighter. It is important to note that humans are not necessarily getting shorter, we are evolving. Thanks for watching.